You got 3 great trades right there today. Right there. We're going this way. And then you can see where it wanted you to go this way, right? Does it get any clearer than this? Huh? 2 trades, right? Technically it's 3 if you look at the open. So at the open we also had another trade, which was right here. This is technically the other trade for the day. You got 3 great trades right there today. Any new members in the room? Open your mics, let the world know you're here.
Picked up diamond this weekend, coach.
My gosh. Who was that masked man? Who was that, Matt?
Matt, yeah.
Nice job, Matt. Now, what did you have before that, Matt?
So before that, I was just a free member. My manager at work kind of told me about this around the paper trading a couple days, and I was like, all right, there's definitely something to it, and I'm going to go all in. So.
Oh, I appreciate that. Who's your manager? Is he a member, an active member here? Because he told you about us and you bought the diamond, tell him I will give him a full year, which is $7,500 worth of a diamond membership. How's that sound?
Yeah, I'll let him know. He just sent me a message. His name's Ken Skates.
Yeah, just let him know, hey, Ken, you just made $7,500 because you told somebody about us. Tell him that.
Yeah, will do. He's listening, so he'll reach out.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I mean, this is what it's about, right? Now, Matt, since you were watching for free and you got a diamond, tell me it isn't completely different going from watching right over the fence to completely opening up all of our training resources.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely like wild how much information's there. It's so much more in depth that you get like tons of extra training. I had a couple trades I'm still learning, so that's what it's all about.
Oh, good job. Well, we appreciate you being here. And Ken, thank you for referring Matt to us. We appreciate that.